Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to cancel Zendrop subscription. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on a PC and log into your Zendrop account. After logging in, you will see your dashboard. On your dashboard, you will have to first of all click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Now you will see some options appearing. From these, you'll have to click on Billing. When you select billing, you will see all these options available here. So after you navigate to the billing page, I will show you the instructions of how you can cancel your account. So your plan or subscription will appear on your billing page here. You will see a three-dotted icon just after your current plan. Click on that three-dotted icon and you will see another page that will look something like this. Here, you will see a downgrade option just after your plan. So click on the downgrade button and your plan or subscription will be successfully cancelled. And if you have any trouble with downgrading your subscription, you can use the message in app to request assistance with that. So just follow these instructions and you'll be successfully able to deactivate or cancel your Zendrop subscription. If this method doesn't work, simply click on the AI bot icon at the bottom right corner, select messages, click on ask question and type in cancel my subscription. Zendrop team will assist you with this problem. So that's how you can cancel Zendrop subscription. If you found this very helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.